Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video we will learn how you can protect a document with a password. Let it be any document. If you have created it using Microsoft Office, there is a way you can protect that document with a password. So I have created a document on the desktop. I'll show you how you can password protect this document. So this is the document. I'll open it. Now once you have the document opened, click on file at the left top corner and then click on info. It'll be by default on info, but if it is not on info, make sure you click on info at the left hand side and then click on protect document. When you click on it, it will open up a list. From the list, click on encrypt with password, and as soon as you do that, there would be another pop-up which will have a place to type a password. So whatever password you want to create for this document, you can type in this blank space where it says password, and once you are done typing the password, click OK. It will ask you to type the password again, so type the password again and then click on OK. And now if you want, you can make some changes in your document, or if you don't want to make any changes in your document, you can simply close this document, and when you try to close it, you will see a prompt whether you want to save the changes. So make sure you click on save and the document will be closed. Now if you reopen the same document, it will ask you for a password. So you can type your password and then only you will be able to access this document. Same way, if you want to remove the password, you can click on file, click on protect document, and then click on encrypt with password. Simply delete that password which you have in there and click OK, and then when you close it, make sure you click on save and the password will be removed. Now if you double click on the document, it will open up directly without asking you a password. So I'll close this, and that's it in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please click the like button if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.